How to fix Supercell ID verification code is not being received in your Gmail account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can solve this problem. So the first thing that you should try is open up your Gmail and over here check out your spam section, because a lot of users are receiving their codes in the spam section. So just check it out, and also check out whether your Gmail has the storage capacity or not, because a lot of people out there does not have the storage capacity left on their Gmail account. So clean up your Gmail before receiving the code. And you can do one more thing, and you should just simply open up the settings of your device and open up the apps, this one, and after that select manage apps, and over here search for Gmail, then select it, click on storage. Now over here you get to see this option of cache memory. Simply clear up the cache data, and after that your Gmail should be working quite fine and you would be able to receive the code. In case if you are still not able to receive the code, simply open up the Supercell game that you are playing. In this case it is Clash Royale, and after opening up the game simply open up the settings section, and here you would be able to find this option of help and support. Simply select it. Now select the option of account, then select this option of recover your account, and then select the option of I have lost access to my account. Then when we scroll down you would be able to find this option of open support ticket. Simply click on it, and here you can select different options over here like account access and Supercell ID. Select the option of recover account, and this way you would be able to receive the help and get your account back. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.